beautiful people, to another session of Vocab with me, Anmol, in association and Martorial. Today we are continuing with our next letter in the English alphabet, J, starting with 50 basic words of which, henceforth, without any further delay, let's get right into it. Jump, kudna. The cat jumped over the fence. Job, Naukri. He has a job at a bank. Juice, Ras. I drink orange juice every morning. Jacket, जैकेट ऊपर से पहनने वाली. I bought a new jacket for winter. Join, जुड़ना. She decided to join the dance class. Jolly, खुश मिजाज. He was in a jolly mood at the party. Jam, jam जो ब्रेड पर लगाते हैं. She spread jam on her toast. Joke, मजाक. He told a funny joke to make everyone laugh. Jumping, कूदना. The children are jumping in the park. Jungle, jungle. The lion roams freely in the jungle. Judge, न्यायाधीश या निर्णय करना. The judge delivered his verdict after the trial. Journey, यात्रा. We had a long journey ahead of us. Jelly, jelly वो गिलगिला सा पदार्थ होता है खाने वाला. She spread jelly on a toast for breakfast. Jigsaw, पहेली. We spent hours solving the jigsaw puzzle. Jumpsuit. The athletes wore jumpsuits during the competition. Jerk, झटका या धक्का देना. He jerked the door open with force. Joint, जोड़. My knee joint hurts after running. Journal, पत्रिका, diary. She writes in a journal every night. Juggle, juggling करना. बॉल्स को बहुत सारी 3-4 चीजों को एक साथ हाथ में उछालना, उसको juggling कहते हैं. He can juggle 3 balls at once. Jealous, ईर्ष्यालु. She was jealous of her friend's success. Junior, कनिष्ठ. He's a junior member of the team. Jumpy, घबराया हुआ. The sudden noise made him jumpy. Jolly, खुश मिजाज. She had a jolly time at the party. Jargon, शब्द जाल. The medical jargon was difficult for me to understand. Jingle, झंकार. The jingle played every time the ad aired. Jiffy, पल भर. I will be back in a jiffy. Jut, बाहर निकलना. His elbow jutted out from the crowded table. Just, bus, yeah, uchit. He was just in time to catch the train. Jet, jet. The jet flew across the sky. Jot, likhna. She jotted down her thoughts in a notebook. Jazz, jazz. She loves to listen to jazz music in the evenings. एक तरह का संगीत है jazz. Jumble, गड़बड़. The children made a jumble of the toys in the room. Jiffy, पल भर. I'll be there in a jiffy. Jug, jug. She filled the jug with water. Jar. She opened the jar of cookies. Jewel, ratna. She wore a beautiful jewel round her neck. Jog, dhimi daud. I jog every morning in the park. Jute. Jute bags are eco-friendly. Jam, chowkhat. The door's jam was cracked and needed repair. Jack. He used a jack to lift the car. Jotter, notebook. He always carries a jotter to take quick notes. Jape, mazak. He played a jape on his friend by hiding his keys. Java. I love drinking java in the morning. Juggler, kartab dikhane wala. The juggler amazed the audience with his skill. Juicy, rasila. She bit into the juicy apple. Jumbo, vishal. They bought a jumbo-sized pizza for the party. Joy, खुशी. The birth of a child brought her great joy. Jump start, जल्दी शुरू करना. The mechanic jump started the car after it wouldn't start. And that's that for today. I will see you in the next one.